Hey guys, welcome back to Invest with Luca. I'm 16 and I've been in the stock market since 14. And this channel is all about sharing my personal investing journey, wins, mistakes, and everything. Today I want to talk about 3 dividend stocks for 2025. And these are companies that I think have solid business models, pay you consistently, and could be a smart hold for long-term holders. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice, just my own research and my journey. So always do your own due diligence. First up, Microsoft. Most people know it for Office, Windows or Xbox, but the real story is cloud and AI. Their Azure cloud platform is growing double digits, and with their OpenAI partnership, they're integrating AI everywhere. Teams, Office, GitHub, you name it. Revenue keeps climbing, and the free cash flow is insane. That matters because it supports their dividend growth. They've raised dividends for more than 20 years in a row. Current yield is pretty low, around 0.7%, but the strength is compounding. Microsoft has room to increase payouts for decades. But what are the risks to it? The valuation, of course, because it's pretty expensive. And for me personally, this would be a medium to large position because I think it would be good to hold it for 10 to 20 years. And I think if you have a long-term horizon, it doesn't matter when you buy. Next up, Johnson & Johnson. This company is basically built for stability. They've increased dividends for 62 years straight. That's called a dividend king. Healthcare demand is always there, and Johnson & Johnson has a mix of pharmaceuticals and devices. That's good for future earnings power. The risk here is litigation. Things like talc lawsuit have been a drag. But financially, Johnson & Johnson is rock solid, and the current dividend yield is around 3%. I see this as a defensive, steady stock, and for me this would be a small to medium position, honestly. And the third stock of today is Realty Income. This is a REIT, meaning it owns real estate and pays out most of its earnings as dividends. Realty Income itself calls itself the monthly dividend company, because unlike most stocks, it pays dividends every single month. Their portfolio has over 13,000 properties. Most retail stores like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, they are stable tenants, and the yield is around 5.5%. which is much higher than Microsoft. For me, that's a small to medium position because it's kind of risky, but at the same time interesting because if housing goes up, the stock will go up, of course, and you get the 5.5% dividend as well. To sum it up, Microsoft is a growth stock to me with a small dividend as well, and I see it growing the next 10 to 20 years, so I think it's a long-term play. And I think you have to see it as a long-term play. Next up, Johnson & Johnson. It's a steady healthcare stock and it's pretty interesting to me. Realty Income, that's like pretty good if you want like monthly income and a steady stock with a high dividend yield. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you liked the video. And that was my second video. I hope you liked it. Of course, it's not perfect yet, but I have room to improve. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.